Why? Oh dear. Why oh why?
Stand down. Other movement.
Oni-chan.
I had such a nice comeback prepared and everything. Do you understand exactly what you are doing? My little baby of a boss. I'd rather not have to do this, but pick out suitcase out of suitcase.
Fight.
My position necessitates that I fight. But it hurts. It hurts. How it hurts? What hurts, you ask? Why, it hurts to think that this is the last I'll get to see of boss's oh so full face. It hurts ever so slightly. Hello there.
Hello there.
What?
And now, a nice catch.
Stop not your baseball. Into.
Gymnastics.
Owly. Four tooth.
I hate my life. Gymnastics.
Grip. I am a dentist. Thumb attack.
CZS. HHH. KKK.
Gaia. Naya.
Whoa.
Somebody help me.
Get wrecked Oni-chan. Let's go.
Gymnastics. Somebody help me.
Stop not your baseball. Why are you not dead?